magnetism's perfect.
Hello, I'm here at Chessington World of Adventures today. Really excited to get back. I only managed to get here once last year, so it's going to be quite nice to get here at Chessington. Got some of my favourite coasters, such as Vampire and Dragon's Fury, so I'm really excited to get back on those two. Didn't manage to get on Fury all last year, so it's going to be nice to get back onto it. Quite busy so far, so Vampire's in 90 minutes, so we're going to make our way to Rattlesnake, which is only in half an hour, and try and get back to Vampire later on. So we'll catch up for Rattlesnake and update you on the plan.
She said, baby, up and down since 3rd grade. You were satisfied with first base, and I've been widely known to be providing earthquakes. You must not have heard. She likes the shark print with the zip up, hi-hats with the hiccups, dark tints on a pickup, pineapples and liquor. She moved with the machine, played a game to change it. This is how it is to be. This is what I'm made with. This is love.
Just gotten off Rattlesnake. It's a fun little wild mouse coaster, that. Alright. Super busy now at the park. It's really picked up with the again, it's right in the middle of school trip season, so it's super busy. Most coasters are like 80 minutes, if that. So we're going to make our way over to Zufari, have a nice chilled, slow down bit, check out some of the animals, and then come back when it should have died down around lunchtime. So yeah, we'll catch you after Zufari.
She read my mind and poured some Earl Grey in her solo for me. Asked me if I wanna go to Mars and watch the world end. I think I might love her, and she got everything I need. Playing Joe to see at noon. We might never leave a room. She
joined us just after Zufari. Enjoy Zufari? A lot of fun, nice to get close to the giraffes and rhinos and stuff, and some of the other animals. As it's super busy the rest of the park, we're going to do something a bit different and actually check out the zoo, which is something I've never done at this area of the park. So, yeah, never done the zoo.
Okay, well, I'll guide you. I'll be like, go to the zoo.
So, yeah, going to check out the zoo, see what's going on, see the animals, then probably grab some lunch afterwards and make our way back to do some rounds. So, catch you at lunch. We're back after lunch. Went to the Vampire Burger Kitchen. It was really good. Food's a lot better there than it was last year. The food there was quite poor. Did you enjoy the zoo? The zoo was really nice. The zoo was fun. It's nice doing something different at Chessy rather than just the coasters. Giving Vampire a miss at the moment, because it's currently got an 80-minute queue, which is not a vibe. So I'm gonna walk past Project Amazon and check out Dragon's Fury. So we'll see you after Dragon's Fury. We just got off of Dragon's Fury. It was a really good coaster. First time on that in 2 years for me. Your first time on it, did you enjoy it?
Yeah, it's good. I prefer Fury.
I prefer Fury. We got a really good spin on it, it didn't stop. We were going to look at Tiger Rock because it started at 30 minutes and up to 70 minutes, so we decided to give that a miss and come check out Toon Blaster for the first time. So I'll see you after Toon Blaster. back after Toon Blaster. I really enjoyed that. I really enjoyed that. It was a lot of fun. Some of the vibes are dull kind of thing, but just different. It was really well done. I really enjoyed it. Couldn't tune up for last year's new edition, Crop Drop. Last year? I think it's 2021 or 2020. I didn't get to go on it last year, so I'm going to give it a go this year. Get it. Join us after Crop Drop. Quite good, actually. I'm going to give it that. Quite good. Heading over to Scorpion Express next. So catch you after Scorpion Express. Just ridden the Scorpion Express again. Cute little coast.
I can't believe he made me go on that.
I think that's far better than the Flying Fish at Thorpe Park.
I can't believe you made me go on that either.
Nah, I enjoyed that coaster. It's a lot of fun. Making our way over, finally, now the queues to start down. 45-minute wait now, well 40 minutes now for Vampire, so making our way over to Vampire. We'll catch you after then. Quick update, we go off Vampire, still running amazing. I love that coaster. Managed to get front row as well, amazing. Big shout out to Alex, best Vampire operator.
Don't do that again, please. I'm
couldn't make our way onto the Gruffalo's at the opening as we came out, and I never got to do bubble work, so we're going to jump on Gruffalo as I had no key. So I'll catch you after Gruffalo. We just got off of Gruffalo. That was a super cute dark ride. I enjoyed that a lot.
Bubble Works was better, but
I never got to do Bubble Works, but yeah. I really enjoyed that. Couldn't make our way up to the gift shop, and then probably going to do re-ride on either Vampire or Dragon's Fury, depending on what. If this one wants Vampire, I want Fury.
You'll get convinced of Vampire, don't you worry.
Or we'll catch you after the last ride of the day and inform you on what that is. Chessington once again. Chessington's got quite a few construction projects on at the moment. So they've got Project Anchor, which does finish on on Friday or Saturday. It'll be opening. It's currently the 14th of July. Behind me is the big one. So this is going to be a brand new area for the 2023 season. It's going to have a coaster, a couple of new flat rides. We do think it's going to potentially be Jumanji themed. Over here. I think that's going to be the big Jaguar, you know, the Jules Jaguar from Jumanji? That's going to be that. But yeah, this is very exciting. There's lots of work going on off here at Chessington. It's going to be really exciting to come back next year and see what they've done with this area, because Project Amazon looks super exciting. We think it's going to be a B&M shuttle coaster, a wing coaster similar to Swarm at Thorpe Park. But a shuttle means it goes up a spike and then backwards throughout the layout, so it's going to be really good and interesting. It'll be nice to see how it fits in with the rest of the park's lineup. But what we are going to do now is make our way back over to Dragon's Fury for a re-ride. So I'll see you later. And that's everything for the day here at Chessington. Have you had fun? It's been a lot of fun as well. It's been nice getting back on some coasters that I've not done for like almost 2 years. So Fury, for example, I've not done since 2020. It's a really good coaster, a lot of fun. If you get a really good spin on it as well, it just doesn't stop. Vampire was good as always. Rattlesnake still gut punches you at the brake run. Gruffalo is quite nice, that's different. Nice doing like a nice flat ride or dark ride is a change. But yeah, thank you for watching. If you did enjoy the video today, guys, please put a like in the comments, and if you want to subscribe, the button's going to be there, and the next video is going to be down there. See you next time.